Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to add currency. So as example, I will create in 100 and then 200, 300. Now if you want to set currency into this value, you can select and then go to format menu, click on numbers, and then you can go to custom currency. So in here you can see we have a lot of options, like you can set into Brazilian real, we set into Brazilian, apply, and it will be automatically set into the value. You can click again format, go to number, and then click on custom currency. Okay, like I will set in there into dollar, so you can scroll down or you can type in here dollar, and then you can click apply. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheet tutorial how to add currency. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.